5 simple tips for fitness success. 1. Exercise daily. Exercise every day for at least an hour. You do no longer must kill yourself from running, jogging, and many others, however you need to have a few kind of mild bodily activity to your normal lifestyles. If you're looking to shed a few pounds speedy, do a higher degree depth exercise. For example, go on a walk at a brisk tempo for an hour. Or, you could jog and set certain intervals to dash for the duration of that hour. Make positive you're not in excessive ache at some stage in your workout. Just a warning, your muscular tissues will pain after an excessive intensity workout. It may be traumatic, however, meaning your body is converting for the higher. Be positive to stay hydrated, stretch, and consume meals with a decent amount of protein after every exercising. The protein will assist hold your muscle groups, not fat, rebuilding. 2. Eat the right foods and portion each meal. No count how awful your belly is telling you to move for sweet over wholesome meals. Try and live far from sweets. Sugar from sweet will now not help you get in form. Even if it's only an unmarried candy bar, one will sooner or later cause any other. Fruits and veggies are the quality thing to eat whilst getting into shape. Apples, as an example, do an awesome task at making the belly feel full for up to 3 to 4 hours. Green greens including inexperienced beans and broccoli maintain the digestive machine easy and running. Also, keep on with lean meats like turkey and fowl. Seafood, along with shrimp and tilapia, are also super options. These meals are full of protein and wholesome nutrients to help maintain muscle tissues suited and equipped for workout routines. In addition, make sure to portion what you devour. Having a terrific metabolism comes from portioning food. Try to plot out eating 6 times an afternoon and placing smaller portions, in place of having 3 massive meals at some point of the day. This may also help you find yourself respiratory smoother whilst working out as opposed to huffing and puffing for air. This is due to the fact you'll have less meals for your digestive machine, which means greater power is used in the direction of your exercise. 3. Keep track of calories and food intake per day. Keeping music of how many energy you devour in an afternoon may be useful in making plans out your physical exercise. Ever marvel why body developers frame hundreds are so huge? That's because they plan out their meals and soak up greater, healthful energy than the common character. On the alternative hand, losing weight and striving for a skinnier physique will involve extra physical exercising than energy you ingest. 4. Be sure to get sleep. Even though maximum of us have 8-hour jobs at some stage in the day or night, it is critical to get sufficient sleep to recharge the frame's batteries. 6 to 8 hours of sleep will keep the body going for the duration of the day, but if you show up to feel tired at any point after coming domestic from paintings, by way of all way take a small nap earlier than exercise. You ought to most effective nap for approximately a half hour. This will prevent you from staying up later within the night time. 5. Stay motivated. An essential key to being in form is to set desires and maintain a wonderful mindset. If you live effective, you may be capable of push yourself to get that fit body you've usually desired.